Hi guys, I haven't had much time in the shop recently, so nothing much has gotten done, but I did think I might just try, shouldn't take me too long, I'm going to try another grind on my tool bit for the boring head ball turner. This is the last one I tried. I've still got others in mind, but I've got one in particular I want to try and do. Let's just see here. So this one has been used inverted, like that. And actually it made a fairly decent cut, but of course as far as the actual geometry goes, it's pretty ridiculous. So I was going to regrind this end, but I thought no, I'll keep it for now. I'm going to do this other end. I'm going to taper it in each side and finish up with what I'd call a more or less negative rake, slight radius, a bit like a small form tool. So I'm going to see how that works out. It may be a total waste of time, just something else that I had in mind to try so that I get a slightly better cut. There are a lot of permutations. In fact, somebody sent me a diagram of an idea they had, and I've yet to try that one actually, but this is in mind, so I'm going to give it a whirl. Alright, here's the other grind, and I don't know whether this will work. So what I've done is ground it to a V to start with, then I put a flat on the front end. Oh, I got an insect. Bear with me. Holy smokes, that was a giant damn hornet. I'll show you in a minute when this thing stopped wriggling. Anyway, there's the grind. It doesn't look very much, but you might be able to see that on that surface there's just a slight radius. And in use it's going to be presented at that angle, which means that the front face should be about perpendicular to the work most of the time, arbitrarily, and the hope is that the slight radius will compensate for slight variations over the surface. Anyway, all we can do is try it and see if it works. There's the devil. Look at the size of the damn thing. God. Didn't want that one landing on my bald head. I started a trial cut here. It's not all that brilliant. I think I still need to do some tweaking on that. It's making a cut, but the tool's getting pretty warm. I don't know whether a bit of oil would help. I suppose you'd always try that. Well, it's got promise, actually. I wouldn't say it's brilliant, not quite as good as I'd have hoped. The geometry's still not right, so I've got to try something else. I may modify this one just very slightly. And the other thing, of course, which one or two people have mentioned, I think, it's going to be a lot easier to do some roughing work with for more or less any tooling, just to probably get rid of corners. That's where the cut is hardest to do. It's gradually getting easier now. I'm getting a bit of a radius forming, but I will try another tool another time. Grinding this 1/4 inch stuff is fiddly, but we'll see. It's always a process of elimination, unless somebody's got a really killer grind that they can let me know about. I did try one or two other things which I haven't even videoed, and they didn't work out. The theory on this one I thought was fairly good, but maybe it's not good enough. Anyway, that's it for now. I'm not sure what's coming on with a decent sized project, been a bit short of time. Anyway, this is just a sort of catch up on the Mark II boring head radius turner. Thanks for watching.